All right, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Paula Natoli, and I'm joined by my colleague, Jeff Winkleman, and we are members of the logistics industry team at Google Cloud. Now, having an entire platform powered by AI and data at your fingertips can unlock a variety of use cases along the entire logistics value chain. And today, we just want to give you a glimpse of those opportunities, whether it's from the upstream side of the house, mid-while, and then all the way down into customer service. Just a glimpse of what's capable with Google Cloud and Google Maps platform. Jeff, over to you.
Thank you, Paula. The first objective we have is to create a groundbreaking marketing campaign. So to get me started, I'm going to enter a prompt into Gemini Enterprise and get Nano Banana working on our behalf. To get our marketing campaign off the ground, we aren't just creating content, we're automating content. And as part of that process, we're using Gemini Enterprise, which is a unified AI tool, to help us with our process acceleration, content generation, and really driving data-oriented insights from for our marketing campaign. So as you can see, while I was talking, Nano Banana was working for us. Using the natural language prompt I submitted, it generated some high value, high quality content that we can now use as part of our marketing campaign. Moving on, I'm going to submit a second prompt into Gemini Enterprise. This prompt includes instructions on our marketing objective, our target audience, as well as a format description on how we would like Gemini to generate a storyboard marketing campaign for us. So while I'm talking, Gemini is working on our behalf and creating a 5-panel storyboard output for our marketing campaign, including a script as well as visual instructions on how we can take this campaign to market.
So Jeff, our fictitious company, Symbol Logistics, is set to go. The marketing campaign is kicked off. It's worked out really, really well. And now we got an inundation of customers and potential customer quotes coming in. Jeff, how are we going to handle all of that inundation?
Yeah, we were really excited about this marketing campaign, so we proactively created a custom quoting agent to help us automate our processes. So inside the same environment in Gemini Enterprise, my agent is running, and the first thing I'm going to do is ask the agent, how can you help? If I can type. So my natural language prompt to our agent is being processed by the agent implementation, and now it's giving me some idea of what this agent can do for me. So what I'm going to do is ask the agent to generate a quote for me from the last email from Josh Lee. So please generate a quote using source and destination from the last email from Josh Lee. So our agent has gone into our email system, it's processing the natural language of the email that we received, and it's extracting the pertinent information it needs to generate a quote. So as it's showing you what it's thinking about, it's outlining its steps and the flow that it's going through, and you can see now that we've generated, here's the text of my email, what the email content was, it's giving me a high-level route plan for that particular quote. It's giving me a quote ID and the actual price. So from here, I'm going to use a suggestion and just say, can you send a quote to Josh Lee? Again, it's integrating with our email system and emailing this quote out to our customer.
Okay, Jeff, so we got a marketing campaign done. We got all of these quotes, which actually turned in now to actual bookings. So how are we going to actually now execute upon all of those movements?
Yeah, so as you can see, wow, our marketing campaign and our automation really generated a lot of deliveries for us in Metro Atlanta. So how are we going to efficiently handle this delivery plan? So we're going to leverage the Google Maps route optimization feature to help us do planning for our deliveries. Route optimization uses advanced algorithms to help calculate an ideal sequence of stops based on multiple inputs, optimizing for cost, fuel costs, distance, and time. But it not only uses those inputs, it also considers constraints like the worker hours, any kind of traffic inputs, as well as the vehicle size itself. So I'm going to click on generate. And while we're talking about this, we can see that we basically have multiple vehicle inputs into our route plan, and it's going to come back with a suggestion on what the ideal delivery routes would be. So as you can see, it's come back with a plan utilizing 2 vehicles. If I scroll down on the bottom of my screen here, you can see that those 2 vehicles have a sequence of stops that they will make.
Okay, so Jeff, part of this, if I look at all of these stops, might be a little bit more on a parcel delivery, right? Final mile delivery with many different pickups and or drop-offs. But what are we doing when we look at it further up mid-mile? Because now we got large vehicle constraints that can't be followed by a Sprinter van.
Yeah.
Do we have something for that?
Yeah, great question, Paula. So in addition to route optimization, we now have large vehicle support in the same API, which allows us to add additional constraints around larger than 4-wheel vehicles, including vehicle dimensions, vehicle weights, and then also taking into account any route restrictions the vehicle may encounter, such as bridge heights in construction.
Great. Well, hopefully this gives you guys just an idea into the glimpse of the use cases that can be unlocked, leveraging Google Cloud technology from Gemini Enterprise, from Google Maps platform and beyond. Whether that is upstream in terms of sales and marketing, in the middle, planning and operations, as well as downstream into customer service and back office, Google Cloud technology is the place for you to go to unlock those use cases. Please stop by our booth and we'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.